Generational wealth, the secret to leaving a legacy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Empowering Your Finance. Today we're diving into a powerful topic. Generational wealth. It's not just about leaving money behind, it's about creating a financial legacy that empowers your family for future generations. What is generational wealth? Imagine your family, not just your kids, but your grandkids, even great-grandkids, having a financial safety net. That's the power of generational wealth. It's about building assets and resources that keep growing and providing for future generations. Why is it important? Let's face it, financial struggles can hold families back. Generational wealth can break that cycle. It allows future generations to pursue their dreams, access education, and build a secure future, regardless of their starting point. It's a gift that keeps on giving. The pillars of generational wealth. Building generational wealth takes planning and intelligent strategies. Here are 3 key pillars. Financial responsibility. This is the foundation. It means living within your means, eliminating debt, and building an emergency fund. Investing for growth. Let your money work for you. Explore options like stocks, real estate, or businesses that can grow your wealth over time. Legacy planning. Secure your wealth's future. 4. Explore estate planning as a strategy to allocate your assets and reduce tax liabilities efficiently. Beyond money, values matter. Generational wealth isn't just about money. It's also about instilling financial literacy and healthy money habits in your family. Teach them the value of saving, living below their means, and making wise investments. Start today, empower your future. Building generational wealth may seem like a long journey, but every step counts. Start by educating yourself, creating a budget, and focusing on your financial goals. Remember, small, consistent efforts lead to significant results over time. Empower your family. Empower your future. Let's build a legacy of financial security together. Remember to like and subscribe for more empowering financial content.